we go.
We got the spot.
Our lovely patient, who's 41 years old, comes in follow-up 4 months out from her surgery. She had previously had saline implants placed, and one of them had deflated, and she came to us for removal of those implants and placement of new implants, and at the same time we did a little capsulorrhaphy to tighten up her breast envelope. So she's very kindly agreed to share a few of her thoughts and feelings about what led her to come to see us in the first place and how she's doing in her recovery.
Well, I needed my implants replaced, and I met with Dr. Clater, who seemed very competent and his practice had a good reputation, which I was able to confirm. And we selected the ideal implant since it seemed to have less, since it wouldn't rupture the same way that my previous saline implants did. And is that answering the question so far?
Well, it's just, what was your experience with the surgery and the follow-up?
Oh, the surgical experience was great. Bryn Mawr Hospital was a great hospital to have the operation, and we were very happy with Dr. Clater's approach to the surgery and follow-up visits. Very caring and on top of everything. And that's been my experience.
That's awesome. Is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
That depends. That depends on the situation. Because my situation was very unique.
Yes.
So, I think I'd probably need to wait a little bit before answering that.
Yeah.
But
very good.
yeah.
I love it. Well, thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.